There ain't no dogs. We're fine.
Open the door.
Open the door.
I don't know if you're a dog or not. I don't know if you're a dog or not.
Open the door.
Oh, don't worry. I got the dogs out. That's okay. Better be safe than sorry.
Dude, I think Hunter might join us.
Let's go.
Hunter. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
Hunter. That's a dog. That's a dog. That's a
No.
dog. Close the door. Close the door.
Go, 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 go.
Leave.
Oh my God.
You guys want a cash register?
We found one.
Oh,
What's that?
darn it. You're gonna be honking that and the bracken's gonna snap your neck in half.
Did Kyler already die? Hold on.
Oh, he went to the fire escape. Excuse me. Hello?
Bracken!
Ah! Ah! How's Kyler?
I don't know where he is.
You know what I said about that clown horn? You're gonna be honking that and the bracken's gonna snap your neck in half.
I was Brack.
Where is he? Oh, ow, my legs.
You want to go back out there?
No.
Hi.
Yo, Bob.
Is Kyler still alive?
He's. Does that look like the bottom of a ravine to you?
That looks like in a room, dead, probably neck snapped. Also, that's probably the Bracken room. Let's get moving.
Okay, yeah, no. We were right. Hey,
Yo, what's up, guys?
Bracken much?
Yo,
Bracken
what
much?
happened?
I fell.
What did I tell you?
You
What
fell?
did I tell
Where?
you? Joe found a Bracken.
Yeah, I was. There was just a bunch of fog, and I couldn't see.
Did
where I
you
was
see me
going.
find the Bracken?
Yep. I saw him too. He was pretty chill.
He is chill like that. It won't let me scan it. It won't let me scan it.
It's like 80.
No! Oh, my clown horn! I have that back. Whoa!
What will you do to get your clown horn back?
Anything.
Anything?
That ain't even me at this point. Lost stole my clown horn.
Hello? Hello?
Dawson, shut the fuck
Hello?
up.
Rules.
Bro, ain't no way. I can't. Oh,
No way. No way.
Dawson, I swear to God, I will kill you.
It's worse than me.
Just get an auto clicker.
Oh god.
Oh, what?
Go!
Why are you screaming?
Spider! Go.
What do you mean, spider?
Go. It's a dead end. It's a dead end. No.
What is it?
Big ass
Spider?
spider.
Oh, no. Oh, Jesus.
Dawson, you lucky
Oh my
bastard.
God.
Dawson,
I
you were so
even
lucky.
closed that door so I wouldn't walk over it.
Hold on, guys.
Is this the right way?
I got this. Holy shit.
It's a clown.
But, oh, guys, I have a plastic fish. Guys! I have found a second clown horn. Let's go down. Also, that blob.
Guys, hi.
I have an idea.
Hi. You still alive, Doctor?
Somehow. Guys, I found the way out. I found the way out. Hello?
Made it.
You made
I
it?
made it.
Kyler?
Yeah. Kyler made it too, I think. I hope.
Kyler?
Kyler!
Hello? Oh god.
We made it
Oh,
out of
God.
that god-awful place.
I never want to go back.
Neither do I. There's a rat out there. Or a fucking dog.
Well, shut up then.
Maybe it's friendly.
You want to go pet Cupcake the pit bull? Go ahead.
Yeah, I do.
Joe, give me a clown horn real quick. I'll draw it away from you guys. I'll trade you here. Take the sheet metal. Kyler, come here. Let's go.
Okay, let's get the fuck out of here. No notes about me. And then come back. Because we can just reload the save. And we'll still have the same quota.